So today we're going to make a spicy coconut and lentil dal, and the very exciting thing about this recipe is that it is from our brand new app, which is coming out literally any day now. We've been working on it for about a year. It's got over 400 plant-based recipes. It's got about 40 yoga videos to start with, meal planner, shopping lists, you name it, it's got it. And it's going to have loads and loads of recipe videos on it as well, showing you exactly how to make each recipe. We're going to be updating it every single week with new recipes, new recipe videos, new yoga videos. So you're going to be kind of inundated with ideas, and it's just 99p a month. So you'll find it on the iTunes store any second now, and under the title Delicious Yella. So that is exciting news number one. Exciting news number two, because you might see it in some of the other videos, if you don't follow us on other social media, is I'm pregnant. So there's a slight growing person in these videos, which is very exciting. And other than that, nothing else to tell you other than we're going to make the dal, and this dal's currently in the deli as well, so you may have had it there if you've been to visit us recently.
So the first things that we're going to need to do are chop our garlic and our tomatoes. So we're going to chop up 3 cloves of garlic. You just want to make them nice and small. And then the tomatoes, just roughly chop them so they're small-ish, so they kind of go throughout the dal, but don't kind of overly worry about the size of that. So once those are chopped, we're going to pop the garlic in a saucepan with a little bit of olive oil and salt. And then we're going to start to add our spices. So first we're going to add curry powder, then cumin, then chilli, then paprika. And if you want it spicy, you can also add chili flakes. So now just add your chopped tomatoes, and then that's going to sizzle, and then stir that all up. Now add your lentils, then your coconut milk. And again, just stir that all up. And that is it. You are literally good to go. We're going to bring that to the boil, and once it's come to the boil, just turn it down to a really low heat so it can just gently simmer. Pop the lid on, and then come and check it every kind of 10 to 15 minutes. Give it a stir so it's not sticking to the bottom. And if you find it might need a splash of water or so as you go, so just keep an eye on it. Add a little bit of water if you need. And otherwise, after about an hour or so, the lentils should be lovely and soft. But if you like them even mushier, you can keep cooking. So it's a really flexible recipe. And then I'm just going to serve it with some brown rice, some coconut yogurt, and some avocado, and pop my chili flakes, salt and pepper on the top.
So here we go, and you can see the dream about this meal is it's literally like 2-3 minutes of prep. You just have to cut some tomatoes and garlic, and then you chuck it all in one pan. It's one pan, and you can make like a massive batch and freeze it as well. So it's a kind of perfect on a busy night. Takes 2 minutes, and then you can like do your washing or your emails or whatever you've got to do while it cooks. And I'm going to dig in. So I added coconut yogurt and avocado and chili flakes, salt and pepper on the top, but obviously you can customize it as you like, and it is super delicious. It's just so creamy, and like it's a sunny day, and I know we're going into spring, but still something so nice about that like hearty, warming heaven that is dal. So let me know if you make it, if you enjoy it, and I cannot wait to hear what you guys think of the app. Digging in for some more.